Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be applying the box shadow effect and also the text shadow effect to images and text here. So this is the tutorial here. So I have given the full blog post link here. So we will be dropping shadow on PNG image using the CSS3 filter, which is drop shadow, text shadow and box shadow filter property. So this is the blog post link here where I have given all the source code link here. Simply go to this blog post. The link will be there inside video description, and you can select all the source code link here. So right click, copy this source code, and if you go to your text editor, Visual Studio Code, just copy paste it. And let me just show you the result of this. So if you just zoom in, you will see this is a box shadow effect which is applied to the image. This is the image. You can see if you open this image in new tab, this is the image here. This is the original image, and here we are applying the box shadow effect here first of all. So this is giving some box shadow it. Now we are also dropping some shadow to it. You can see this is the drop shadow effect, and this is the text shadow effect. So here we are dropping some shadow on the text as well. So you can even change this image as well. So let me change this image. You can go to the internet, just copy paste the image URL. So let me just change this image to this one. So I can just copy image address, and simply I need to change this, paste it. So accordingly you can change the image address like this. So just go to the source property, and here you need to change the image address. So after this you need to refresh your application. So now you will see it has applied the box shadow effect to this image. Also it also applied the drop shadow effect also, and the text shadow effect also. So one more image I will show you, which is this one. You can take any image of your choice. Let me take this image. So here we are applying these three CSS3 filters here. This is a property which is there inside CSS3. So if you refresh it, you will see now it has applied this box shadow effect here, and also it has applied the text shadow effect also. So just and now you can see. So if you just zoom in, you will see the effect which is applied here. So we have applied box shadow effect, text shadow effect, and also we have, you can see the shadow effect which is applied to this image here, so on the border as well. So this is the original image, and we have applied some box shadow effect to it. So in this way you can apply some shadow to any PNG image or JPG image. You just need to change the image address inside the source code. All the source code will be there inside video description. You can go to the video description, go to the blog post, and simply you need to copy this source code, paste it inside your text editor, and just change the image source URL, and then you can apply any sort of box shadow effect to any sort of image using CSS3 filters. So thanks very much guys for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.